Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to share games and APK apps to WhatsApp. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you look for the apps and the games that you want to share on WhatsApp. So once you locate anyone you want to share on your WhatsApp, then for instance, I'm going to share this particular app right here. So what I need to do is to simply click and hold down, and this is going to pump up. Next thing I'm going to do here is to simply click on share icon. So I'm going to simply click on that, and it takes me to this particular page. Then you can see app APK. So what I'm going to do next is to simply click on the WhatsApp right here. Then the next thing you need to do here is to simply look for the contact that you want to share the app with. So I'm going to share to this particular app. You can select as many as possible contacts that you want to share the APK app with. So I'm going to click on next, and it takes me right here. Based on APK, so I'm going to simply click on send, and in a few seconds, it's going to be successfully loaded and sent to the contact on WhatsApp. So it's as simple as that. So this is how to share games and APK apps to WhatsApp without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.